Nope, it's on there. Ooh, this is heavy. This is a fish. Uh-oh, what do we got here? Holy crap, what do I got on? Look to the other side of the boat. That's on a shrimp too. What do you think it is, big mutton? Oh, baby! Look at that beast!
Oh my!
My goodness gracious! Oh!
Gotta be 18.
Let's just be on the safe side and use it this way. Okay, settle your ass down.
Yeah, you're good.
What do we got there?
Got almost
24 and a half mutton. Oh boy, we're gonna be eating some good stuff tonight, Ron. That was awesome. Throw a little olive oil in the pan. I kind of like them blackened and just a little bit fried, so I don't know, that's probably just enough kind of to cover it. I got it on medium heat here. Couple tablespoons of butter. Butter's starting to melt here. I like the combination of the butter and the olive oil. I think it's extra virgin olive oil. Bad Byron's butt rub kind of guy. I just love this seasoning. It's a barbecue seasoning, but I'm going to use a little bit of that. And then this blackened. This is my favorite, blackened. Fried in a little oil and butter. That's a little bit of the butt rub, a little bit more of the blackening, because I do like the flavor of the blackening on fresh caught fish. And here I'm sizzling. Get this fish in here. They were fun to catch. Hopefully you enjoyed that part of the video. If you do, as always, I appreciate a like, subscribe, and click that notification bell. It's delicious. Very light fish and flaky. Not very fishy. So I'm basically just kind of keeping an eye on these until they turn white around the edges. A little bit longer. Oh, it smells so good. Just saying. Alright, I think we're ready to flip. That smells so good. Wish you could smell it. Stick a little bit of garlic in here. Put a little bit of garlic there in the center. That saute a minute. Then we'll just drag them through that garlic. A little garlic flavor on the fish. Oh, that smells even better than it did smell. Because I like blackened seasoning. I'll just dust them one more time with some blackening. I think we're in pretty good shape on the fish. Turn the stove off. Good. So we just got seasoned fries. The fish. Oh, that smells delicious. Just delicious. Let's get a little bit of the tiger sauce for dipping. That on there. Heinz ketchup going on. Let's see, look at that. Does that look delicious or what? So we're gonna do a little tiger sauce. Piece of fish. Oh my, that is delicious. Unbelievable. Man, is that good. Caught that. Filleted that. Oh boy, is that good. I'm gonna sit down, enjoy my dinner. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. There again, you know how it is on YouTube. If you like watching my videos, I'd appreciate you like it. Subscribe to my channel. hit that notification button. I'm just an average guy. A lot of experience cooking, fishing, just sharing some days on the water and cooking in the kitchen. Hope you enjoy. Everybody have a great evening and God bless.